Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a team on Brawl Stars. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Brawl Stars game on your device, and once it is fully loaded, you will end up within the main menu. From this page, if you wish to join a team, then tap on the team option at the right side and then tap on Team Up. Now from this page, you can either create a team by tapping on Create Team Code, and you will be allowed to set up a code which your friends can use to join your team. You can also tap on the Join with Code option, and now you will be able to join any team by entering the team code within the given box. Just type in the given team code and then tap on the Join button, and if you have entered the correct team code, you will join the team and you will be able to play together right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a team on the Brawl Stars game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.